Yes, perfect. I'm your host Ryan Key of quantumresearch.co.uk and now Quantum Research Limited. We're chilling. We have a long on AOWorld. We bought 914 shares for a trade on the CFD account. This is the 10k challenge. £10,000 was put in an account from myself, and we wanted to make sure that we can document every single trade. So the account before opening this trade was at £10,573, so we'd have been up around 5.7%. We did put £7 more by accident. I did the calculations wrong, but roughly 5.6%, let's say, we're up. And our AOWorld trade is going quite well. In fact, I'd rather hold these guys for around a month or so. In 2 days alone, though, we have made around 32 pence per share, which is roughly 7% pre-fees. After fees, probably not 1% off the top, so 6%. Maybe even less, actually. But we're going to pull up the chat pop-up real quick. And I need to get the YouTube stream. It looks like we're up 292 right now. Fees are about £10 each way, so 272. That was a little pop-up after close. The actual bid was 409. But it's just so healthy. It's beautiful how the FTSE was up a fair bit earlier. AOWorld was down 2%. FTSE then went down. You had a switch where AO ended up closing up 2% or so for the day. So we're feeling good. We're feeling good. I've been relaxed, chilling, enjoying the Christmas spirit, as one must do. Oh, and I was looking at this beauty. What an upgrade. Central, nice kitchen. I like to cook, you see. So I like a place that has a nice kitchen. Anyways, though, let me put up the YouTube chat. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed today. It's real cool waking up seeing us up by 30 or so subscribers just from some Twitter action. Let's pull this up. Quantum Research YouTube. My keyboard has run out of charge, but it's all good. The markets are very quiet. There's not really anything special to say. I mean, cryptocurrency has been doing well. That's not the market I trade, so I wouldn't really know what to say about that. But cryptocurrency is for sure doing very well. Cryptocurrency is for sure. Can we just appreciate how nice this audio sounds? That's so perfect. Okay. The chat doesn't seem to work on TradingView all the time, because I had a lot of messages pop up later. But anyways, why were we in AOWorld? Well, let's see when we entered. Actually, way earlier. 2 or 3 days ago. It would have been this point, I believe. It would have been 1 p.m. Something like that. Yeah, fair consolidation. Must have been 11 then. I thought it was later. So we got in around 11 a.m. 383.5, if I can double check. 383.5. My order was at 384, so we got half a penny better than what we'd hoped, which was cool. A little bit of consolidation as you always expect. Whoa. That's going to be uncomfortable. Let's see. 385, yeah. So it consolidated around where we bought Kian, us buying on a clear break. And things look to be continuing straight up. Nice hourly chart. Nice 4 hourly as well. But the beauty is on the daily. Look at that. First kind of formation you've had in a very long time. Clear shift of momentum. The fact that you've had 3 controller rising days is nice as well. for this to get really overbought of a rise, I mean, we'd need levels similar to here in terms of relative strength. So what, 440, the recent highs kind of thing. Probably going to be tested, try and fail, then continue up. I'd like to buy back, but I kind of am targeting around 530s and above. In terms of fundamentals, yes, the company is quite expensive, but versus their general valuation, they're actually really cheap considering how the fundamental picture has changed. So I'd be very comfortable holding these guys. The picture's changed with Alibaba though, as of recent. More Chinese tariffs, I believe. Trump's doing some stuff before he leaves, which is putting a couple of these guys, a couple of their business folks at risk. Look at that FTSE action. Failed that 6,600. At this point, what's it going to do? Sell off? Jumia as well, $43. Wow. To think that we sold at 24, up 20% within like 1 or 2 sessions. And now we're looking at ourselves thinking, jeez, we could have got a whole bag. That is recent highs as well, so I only assume it's going higher. But when it falls, this does 75% drawdowns kind of thing. So it's okay. Let's see what the old Twitter world is saying. Cash 87.7%. I love seeing these spreadsheets. Shout out to Paddy Spud. Great stuff. Great job maxing out the ISA as well. Genius. Ooh. Purple bricks have done well. Is that a new holding? ETF holding? What ETF is Warpaint, Gaming Realms, and these guys? Whoa. Spreadsheets don't hit like the P&L when you look at it. You look and you see like a blue figure or a red one. That's why I think spreadsheets are great. You disassociate from the fact that it's financial and just think about it in terms of points. Wow, 68.8 P. How's Bubble Bricks doing anyways? Yeah, perp. Let's see how perp's doing. 93.5. Whoa, that was some earnings. How are you gonna bag in less than a month? That November onwards kind of COVID recovery bag was impressive. I missed it, but it's fine. We should check in on somebody else who's streaming. I believe Adam's streaming. We must always check up on our dear friend Adam. I don't know how to find streams from here. Streams. Yeah, we'll switch it. Which quad? Which is which? Let's see what Adam's saying.
Literally went up enough.
Look at that setup, man. I love this.
You know.
Oh my.
I mean, I was like always trading like quite a bit, but now it's like easier, I guess. You know.
Bro, I was thinking of getting neon lights, but I thought neon lights cost £300 to get them customized to say like Ryan's Yard and put a nice little board up behind me.
I first learned like technical analysis, which was good. And then
Good, bro.
I just was trading. I just learned TA, and then like found I was like inconsistent because I didn't know how much risk I was taking. So like, say there's like, sure, let's go with like, I don't know, shit, this trend line here, right? So I see it come into it. I wouldn't know how much to risk in the trade, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then that's kind of when I was like, okay, I need to like make a system to kind of. I want a
Airbnb is at
robot to trade for me.
156. Oh.
Yo, Ryan, dude, what's up, man? How's it going, man? Damn.
My brother.
It's good, man. It's good. Today was wild. It was kind of like, it's like it's like starting up a barbecue, right? And it's like, oh, like the gas built up, but the flame's not on. But you crank it and you look in, it's like this. Gotta come out, your hair's all singed and shit. It's kind of what the drop did to me here. Singed it down.
You know where you put the oil.
But it was all good though. Everything's still like.
Nah.
Whoa. Everything's good.
Oh man. Shout out to him.
Yeah, dude. It's like, yeah. It didn't get like full on grease fire like the turkey into the thing, but it did. It was a little like, whoa.
It's
Like a trade or two that I've taken. Dude, yeah, I could take.
oh man, love this guy.
Yeah, so like one
I
thing
can
that
see on that chart. Look at the way
actually quite a
it's
bit
just
too,
up,
is using
down and
different
up
chart
like a
types as
yo-yo,
well. Yeah,
as me old man
so-
used to
yeah,
put it.
dude.
Wow.
Oh yeah, with a little bit of
Look at that.
truffle olive oil on there. You know what I'm saying? A little salt. little
Truffle,
pepper.
yeah.
Next thing you know, I'm just, it's medium
Is
rare,
that
man.
how you're
Yeah,
balling?
so yo, Dom, so one thing that I found that works really well for me is like I was saying, using different card types. So using like
Truffle
range
oil?
bars, right? So
Bruh,
there's
I'll just
20
use
range
regular
on-
olive oil.
yes.
What's this
This
talk
is a
about
$5
truffles?
bar, so what that means is the high to low is the
Oh,
exact
man.
same size for every single
Love
bar,
this guy, man. I
right?
love that setup. It's so
And,
clean. That's a custom built
kinda
PC I
helps
can see
reduce
right
the
behind.
noise, and it makes things a
Got
little
nice
bit
colours.
more clear, right? So
The question
here's
is, do I
like-
do that? Or do I
like
upgrade to a
20
beautiful
range
place
chart,
like this?
And then I don't know. Here's like
I don't
a
know.
10-minute chart or like a 15
well, I could do
or
both,
20 or
but
something like
it's
that.
just
There's
too
like
much.
a lot more chop and noise and
I don't
stuff like
really
that
need...
than
The thing is,
compared to
you don't really need
range bar.
a nice PC to trade. Like, I've
And
got
the best
one
part about it is
monitor
that it
on
always
my
closes
right
at the low or at the highest
and my
down
laptop
bar always closes
on the
at
left.
low, up
and I
bar
just
closes at the high.
work it like a PC, so I always keep it in
Truffle,
charge.
yeah, that's how I'm balling these days. Well, it's like truffle scented or whatever it is, truffle infused. I don't think it's actual truffle. It smells. I can't believe it's not butter. It's basically one of those. What is it? Truffle. Fuck. What is it? Like scented, infused, or whatever it is.
Hey.
I don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's not
Oh.
like, yo, I got like, the pig in the backyard or something like that. It's like take him out for a walk to go sniff for some like giant mushrooms, hey?
No, but almost.
Over the regular vegetable oil, yeah, a little bit of Pam in the pan.
Oh, yeah. Pam in a pam.
Well plated, yes. Yeah. It's like those gold bars that they found way back when it's like
Inside.
they cut them in half and it's just a bunch of nickel on the inside.
Oh,
It's kind of like that, I think. There's an actual term for it though. I just forget what it is because it's not like actual truffle oil. It's like the thing that smells like it or something. Yeah. Yeah.
It's probably truffle
Well, this
infused.
is good. I think it's 10:30. Ryan, what time is it over there?
27.
I assume it's like
It's closed for the session, bro.
4:30. I
One
think it's 4:30 over there.
after.
Because I need. This is a big confirmation request, basically. You just closed up for the session. Okay. Oh, it's 5:30. Well, I'll be right back.
That's a nice gaming chair as well. Yo, if you guys haven't already, give Global Market Signals a follow on TradingView. In fact, why are we not following? Oh, because this is the quantum research account, but I'm still following. I don't even care. Love this.
All right. Well, hey, you know, it's 5:30 somewhere, so
Did I just call Andre Adam?
Cheers, boys. All right. Okay.
I probably did.
Let's go over some trades here.
Well, I meant Andre.
Okay. Let's see. What did I take? What did I not take? I'm trying to remember, really. Everything has been in ES.
You folks up early.
Ryan. Yeah, so like it's only 11:30 and it's a lunch beer then. It's definitely not a breakfast beer for me. You'll rip a beer too though? Hey, cheers.
Cheers indeed. I'm gonna pull up some Flora.
So you folks up early, cheers, yeah. It's okay, so this was one of the trades that I took. I think it was on a 10 or is this on a 5? Is this the same thing? Is this 7?
Just for the record, this is Schlur.
Sure
It's non-alcoholic.
Oh yeah, okay, cool, it is.
But
So one of the trades that I took here, so this is like an indicator I made
it's real nice, trust me. For those who drink,
on
you
my
might
own,
actually
I
like it.
guess. So it's kind of like a super trend kind of thing.
Cool.
Still figuring it out, but basically if it's red it's resistance, if it's blue it's support. So price kind of came up into it, and so I shorted, but like I'll generally aim to take like 1 to 2 points on ES, right? And that's like at least what works for me. I mean, it's nice and quick. So I would say definitely find like a strategy or some sort of system that fits your own personality. For me, somehow it's taking these quick little 1 to 2 points.
Do you know what the worst thing is? When you check your brokerage account and you realize that the market's closed, you're like, damn, what's happening? What's moving out here? Let's see what's going on with the old news flow. US current account deficit as expected.
Yeah. It's like
Senator Mitch McConnell.
I can open up. Would it be in? I think today would have been a mess because I was trying.
I heard that Charmath Palihapitiya, the guy who runs Social Capital. By the way, love the guy. Apparently, he owns.
Yeah.
Is it the Lakers? I think.
Okay, so here,
Could be.
all the trades get executed through NinjaTrader or multiple
The ones
cards,
with
it's on a different screen.
What's his name?
I think one of these days I'll bring it up like
Some real
as the main
well-known
thing, so you guys can
basketball
see.
player.
But yeah, sometimes they're quick trades, sometimes they take a while, sometimes they're just not good trades. So. But yeah, I think the one thing that I like, obviously, like I was saying earlier, like I'm still working on is knowing when to get out of the trade.
Knowing when to get out of the trade, big time.
Going against me.
Yeah. I normally get out a little bit earlier, but I'm comfortable with the full meter to move, bro.
House for more call options. All the best with the exam, you know. And actually, on a serious note, congrats on the grades too, man. That's awesome.
Andre's chill, man. Shout out to Andre.
Stuff. Ryan, so how's trading going?
Breath. Singly.
And how's the new position too? By the way, had the rooftop dinner party the other week when I tuned into the stream.
Oh, bruh.
Oh, and talking about living bougie.
What is?
I'm on some like discount truffle oil. You're having like rooftop dinner. Damn, bro. Surprisingly better than usual. Nice, man. That's good stuff. Get that end of year magic going, you know.
It's up. For
work is bougie too. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Rooftop bar and jail. Yeah, I've never actually been to rooftop bars. Don't look at me and think this guy. He's out here.
Oh yeah. Hey, hold on. Let me because I saw the tweet earlier too. Hey. Okay, for anyone who needs to Wow, not Twitch. We're going to Twitter. For anyone who needs to do things, hold on. Because I thought this was pretty damn great. Let's see here. Yeah, here we go. Okay.
What's this?
Okay, so for anyone like any things, Ryan Quantium over here posted up some videos on his YouTube. 29 educational videos, right? So it's good stuff. So if you guys want to check any of that out, feel free to take a look. Post up some pretty great stuff. So I think it'll be helpful for anyone who's looking to kind of learn a little bit more, because I know there's a few things in there too that I should probably brush up on too.
We've all got things. In fact, I rewatched some of our videos.
What's up?
One example, the moving averages one. Don't get confused between SMA, EMA, VMAs.
Dude, yeah, for sure, man. Yo, six cell. Okay, let me take a look. Oh, okay. What does that mean? It looks nice, though.
That's a pit trader vibe.
Yes, on a 2 minute. It's a 2 minute hike and Ashley. Very nice, very nice.
Shout out to Andre. Andre knows. Andre remembers. Andre's the guy, man.
God. So what is this? 2 minutes?
Whoa, 36 likes here.
Probably like,
big love, big love. 11 retweets. That's the most popping tweet I've seen in a while. Just that.
Third big one. Third one here.
What's going on there? Shout out to KH.
Wow, dude.
SK. Oh, a lot of other people seem to love people winning too. That's what I like to hear. Yeah, big respect.
Nailing it here.
I posted this actually because I believe it.
I guess
big time.
I would have shorted in the same spot.
When you see someone win,
key to that is
forget about all that hard work that they've gone through behind the scenes. It's amazing. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Pretty sure I got Andre on Discord. I'm gonna double check.
So were you short 6 contracts? Because that would be
$100 profit.
That would be pretty nuts. That's a huge. That's literally.
Oh wait, no, that's not $100. What am I talking about? That's 6 whole contracts.
Oh, first time at a rooftop bar. Really? I feel like there's so many rooftop bars in London.
Gotta.
But I will guarantee those rooftop bars are probably way cooler. That's for sure. I think it's like there's a couple here in Calgary, but I mean, it snows a lot here for like half the year. So it's the highest probability trade. Oh, nice.
They literally, we got a
like
garden here. They call it the Sky Garden. This guy.
Back test or like, running it live or something like that.
Is it mad how I read that as a US dollar?
The Sky Garden, dude. I'll have to check it. Dude, I want to come in. Dude, I want to come and visit.
You should.
Oh, I want to come and visit so much.
I shall be your tour guide.
With all the crazy things that are happening, evidently, I need to make enough money to buy my own plane, which might not be happening anytime soon. And
damn.
I guess be wealthy enough to just have the government give me an exemption from everything.
The dream.
Oh, nice. You get to live in Medicine Hat for 2 years? That's awesome.
You gotta be big enough.
That's awesome, dude. Yeah, the algo trades, dude.
Americans called $600 stimulus check a disgrace, but better than nothing.
Yeah, we could go like Kim Kardashian style. It's like, oh, me and my closest friends and family I got us a private island for like 2 weeks, just to live a normal life. Oh my god. That's cool. I've never used an algo. Yeah, like an algo's cool. It's just basically it's just at least
we're gonna quieten our bro a little bit so we can
like
keep looking through Twitter, checking on Twitter, seeing how Twitter is. I flip through the old Twitterati. What is it? FinTwit. NBA owner Ryan Smith could have bought purchase of the Jazz from the Miller family.
The plane that they flew down
No.
was like a full-on, I think 777. And
GO6
just
and
the
ball.
flight.
Tesla's at 660. Are you mad?
Shit,
Are you
maybe
mad?
10 hours?
Are you crazy?
From LA to the place and back.
There's one stock I want to look at today. Royal Mail Group. I got an alert that this has turned.
There were 40 people on the plane.
Whoa.
Crazy, man.
Well,
Mine's designed
it's a
around my
10%
trading.
move in a
Ran
day,
for
isn't it?
years
Nope.
and a few
5,
money
6.
If he was a money manager. Nice.
I guess from where we were looking at it, it's taken a beating. Let's look at everything relatively. That's definitely uptrend broken
Everything
down.
on the chart, so go ahead.
That's not just a correction. I expect attempt to take back 334 and then try
That's
282.
awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like things that you like. I would imagine you end up picking up on. Like, there's a lot of things. I'm glad.
Yeah,
that,
straight to
like,
282 for me.
Funded trade.
Bum,
Kind of
bum,
like
bum.
they take a break from today until the New Year. So I guess the 4th. Well, or Sunday the 3rd. But
Let's
yeah,
just say
there's a few things that I've noticed. Like
if we can get around here to
price and,
short,
like
get
all these
around.
different patterns
Where's
and
the
things like
beginning
that
of the
with different
base?
chart types and all this kind of stuff that like I'm thinking I could probably put it into like one thing.
Oh.
But it's
I'm doing
obviously just
this wrong.
process and kind of seeing what works and what doesn't, right?
I never
So,
normally use this, but I can flip it. I just
Yeah.
forgot how to.
get rid of all the noise and just give me the signal. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
I use
I gotta do a
something
lot of
else.
testing
I'll
with,
just put it in my
like, Renko
spreadsheet.
bars too, 'cause
I want to visualize
there's
it.
a few,
If I'm
ridiculous
taking
ideas that I
short
have for
at
that
335,
tested really well, but
that
I
would
just
be
don't know if
me
they actually work,
buying getting 30
you know?
points. Risk at 30 points. 10%.
I think, yeah, it's such a good point. HA is better than Renko?
334.
Maybe?
Bottom
I
of the
don't know, well,
base. 299.
the only thing that I found with HA is that
34.
I guess it's like I would have to like
And then the
like
risk.
in-sample testing versus out of sample testing, just because
Only
I
10
have tried to use
points.
it,
That's crazy.
even with like data 1 and data 2 in multi-charts to get the signals off of the HA bars and trade it on.
So I'll put it
like,
this
the
one to
bars,
34
and
just for the sake of
sometimes
it.
just doesn't line up
Formula
with
won't be
that because,
fully
like,
correct, but
open
can't be bothered to load up the
close
model.
prices are
3.4,
different.
let's just say.
It's like if it's a
Okay.
down bar, the low price I think is the only real one, and if it's an up
Let's
bar,
add a
it's
note.
higher than the middle price, right?
Let's get rid of this.
It's all the very finicky kind of things, but
I,
the thing
I
is, at the end of the day,
regret not
you get
trading
the bag, you get the bag,
Royal
right?
Mail.
It's all about making money. like, so that's basically it. Yeah,
But
there's
what
like
can you
so
do?
many I like range bars quite a bit. Range bars are nice. They're actually my
Okay.
favorite, I'd have to say.
Well, so what we would do is probably plan a trade on RMG. I'm just going to take a quick bathroom break. I'll be back in 5 minutes max. Because I might go to the kitchen, just check up on my preparations for food later. But I'll be back very, very shortly. We won't be around too long tonight, but I think we'll try and plan a potential trade on this Royal Mail ticker. Easy reversal in trend. It probably will gap down AM tomorrow in all likelihood, but if we can catch a little attempt at a re-rate back up, then we'll catch the bigger meat of the move. Normally with this kind of a move, you wouldn't expect it to even try and re-rate. We'd probably go a little bit tighter. Yeah, so what? Try 321, reverse intraday. That's one thing I wanted to double check. Yeah, it will track that, so I think we might get 330 and then ride it all the way to the proper breakdown. To the 280s, I'd say. Yeah. Risk, we're talking 3.5% for 10%. So I think my size will be a little bit larger than usual, but still not too high. I'll put that one into the formula because otherwise it doesn't make sense to trade. I'll be back in just a mo though. Catch you guys in a bit. Ooh. All right. So, we're back. Where are we? Back here. Here's a little trade idea. Maybe put a little alert in. Nothing too serious. See how we can do this. Have an old chat pop up. Oh, Someone says, why does he have headphones on? Stream is one way. If you're talking about Andre, probably because he'd connect music from another thing or whatever to focus. Because when you're streaming, generally you can't play music on stream because you'll get copyright claims and you'll have to take down YouTube videos. Even Twitch doesn't work. Monetization, whatever. So by wearing headphones, you're able to play music, keep yourself concentrated, get yourself in the zone. For me, I feel without music or with a very quiet sound, I tend to focus better. So it really depends on what one prefers. But for me, I prefer the easiest way. Little hassle. But then again, you can't play the sound on stream, so what good does it do? Let's see. This one's been tracking big time. I need a little bounce before I open short. It could easily gap down straight to 306 tomorrow. But if anything's happening... Oh. Mute this real quick and hit. Okay. So, rough little plan, let's think. Earlier I kind of said retest. That's where I'd try. That to me is far too healthy. Of anything, the Audi's the best setup. I don't think I'd get this trade personally. And if I did, it would have to be below bounce 321. Yeah. In fact, it's already tested. So it's straight to 304. Well, 313 to 294. Might not be worth a trade. Be lower than try. The overall trend has changed, so if there's any position I'd like to have on this, it would be short. For now, I'll just add them to the top of my watch list on TV. Yeah. That upsets me that I missed it. Because really, I'd have been short from 333 or so. Would have probably closed out for the day. So you don't just open where you would have closed out, you feel me? It's funny how Americans are complaining about $600 free money per person. We haven't got any of that in the UK. We'll take a couple hundred. Helicopter money. We got a chart shared on stream. CHGG. This trade looks like Shockwaves shares, just up and down, up and down. Rolls Royce as well. Tried to bottom at 109 earlier. Immediate reversal. BT's one to look at. Well, they 135. We were wrong about them breaking below 100 and ended up losing 2%. Well, there's been, what, 35% of an increase since then. We should have gone long on the switch, but it's fine. Tesla shares about to hit a S&P 500 inclusion. Oof. That's impressive. $670 a share. Are you mad? I got a message the other day. Someone said, should I short Tesla? And how do I go about shorting? I can't advise, but what I would say is this is what happened if you short Tesla. Yeah. They're actually close to a 1 trillion market cap. I haven't bought them. A bit of a regret. But then again, there was no fundamental decision behind it. Just momentum. If Tesla was part of the S&P 500 early on, it would have been responsible for, I think, a 2% year-to-date rise in the S&P 500's total value alone. That's crazy. An indie game developer. CD Projekt. In 10 years, that return is very impressive. That's Tesla returns for a game developer from Poland. Big respect. Tesla at 672. Jeez. If any time sees it slowing down, it would be now. Kind of clear formation. Probably expect like a shooting star formation. Overshoot, reverse. Overshoot in this case. And then base 654. So 710 or so. Very dangerous. I'm gonna add RMG to the watch if it isn't already. Yep. AO right up there. Who else is a near one? Sure. I still haven't had a chance to properly upgrade this list. Update rather. S-Wave is about to break all-time highs. And for once, it's not that bad. Wow. S-Wave, if they're not already on this list, they're gonna make it to our priority list. Alibaba. $1 Jumia. Yeah. We're just about done for today. That will probably end a very uneventful stream. But nonetheless, if you haven't already seen the videos that are up on our YouTube channel, check them out. I'm going to share the link. And if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed because there's a lot of nice content coming. Let me find this. There's 29 new videos. 29. Imagine. Boom. I'm gonna look through all of these. It's just so beautiful. The amount of work that went into every single video. Look at that. Detrending price to track momentum. I'll walk you through everything. Patterns. Theories. Fundamental analysis. Good management. Understanding balance sheets. All these are the introductions, and then there will be future series where I will go a little bit deeper. Cash flow statements, debt, It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Been trying to get these out for a while, but now we have them out. And that's all good. I'm probably gonna make some food or something. Yeah. It's been a chill one, folks. Catch you soon. Hold up. Quick summary. We're up about 272 after the fees, which are about £20. So if we add that, we're up about 8.4% so far. I still see AO going much higher. In terms of targets, I think AO first stop is anywhere from 428 to 440. If it can hold above there, then really 530 and beyond. If that happens, we'll be having a real good day. We're already happy now, financially wise, but we played the game, so all is good. And worst case scenario, this has what I'd call a idiosyncratic tail event. Then we're looking at, what are we talking? Look at that one. A non-earnings related idiosyncratic event. Yeah, same thing. 25 times the constant, so 37 plus. Only 10%, not even that, 10% off this. And we were in at 38.3.5. So really we'd lose a little bit of money if things don't work out. If they do, we could stand to make 20-30% more than now. So we're chilling. As far as I'm concerned, I'm comfortable in this position. It's all good. Well, update you all on how it goes if we get close to even thinking of closing. At the moment I haven't recorded any updates because I don't need to. We shall see how things go. But nonetheless, I've been your host Ryan Kia of quantumresearch.co.uk. We've got them new videos out, all that stuff, trading videos, live trading recaps. These ones have been quite popular. We've got technical analysis, we've got fundamental analysis, we've got the new one, the How to Trade series, where I walk you through all the asset classes. And the next one that we're going to be recording is on risk-reward setups. Very useful stuff. And we'll have to catch you all soon. But I'm going to head off and study for the rest of the evening.